Hello everyone. Today discuss hydraulic turbine. First one is the hydraulic turbines. The basic concept of hydraulic turbine. The device which converts hydraulic energy into mechanical energy and vice versa is known as hydraulic machines. The hydraulic machine which convert hydraulic energy into mechanical energy is called as a turbine. That means turbine. Basic things of turbine and pump. Always remember, suppose hydraulic energy denoted by He and mechanical energy denoted by Me. Then relationship between hydraulic energy and mechanical energy, when the arrow marks hydraulic energy to He to Me, that is called turbine phenomena. When Me to He, that is pump. Because in pump case you study the discharge, but in turbine case we study the power. So basic difference of the pump and turbine and definition of the pump and turbine. Now, a water turbine is a rotary machine that converts kinetic and potential energy of water into mechanical work. Now, water turbines are mostly found in dams to generate electric power from water kinetic energy. This diagram shows how can energy will be produced. First one is the what is turbine. Water turbines take energy from moving water. Flowing water is directed on to the blades of a turbine runner, creating a force on the blades. That means water strikes the blade and then blade will be rotate. Since the runner is spinning, the force acts through a distance to produce work. In this way, energy is transferred from the water flow to the turbine. This diagram shows how can this phenomena will be occurs. Now, working principle of turbines. Turbine is a device that extracts energy from a fluid, converts the energy held by the fluid to mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is used in running an electric generator which is directly coupled to the shaft of turbine. Thus, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Now, the working principle is very much simple. First one is when the fluid strikes the blades of the turbine, the blades are displaced, which produce rotational energy. होगा क्या? जो फ्लूइड है, जो लिक्विड्स है, वो ब्लेड पे स्ट्राइक करेगा, ब्लेड के पास एक फोर्स क्रिएट होगा और ब्लेड रोटेट करेगा एंड फाइनली रोटेशनल एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होगा. When the turbine shaft is directly coupled to an electric generator, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Now, this electrical power is known as hydroelectric power. जो phenomena है, this is known as hydroelectric power. Now, hydraulic turbines. Discuss about hydroelectric power plant mechanisms. Very simple mechanism. Water collects in the upper reservoir, flows through the turbine, and is then discharged at the low level. The rate of power production is P is equal to m dash G into H ideally, and P is equal to eta m dash GH in practice, where eta is the efficiency of the process. जो efficiency है इसको हम लोग eta से डिनोट करते हैं. In a real system, energy will be dissipated as heat in the generator, the turbine, and in the connecting pipelines. In above diagram, the upper reservoir water collected, then generate lower level water will be collected. Now, introduction of hydro power plant. Very simple. Reservoir है, that means water stored है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, एक जो रिजर्वायर जो आपके पास है, जो कंक्रीट स्ट्रक्चर है, उसमें होल करेंगे और पेनस्टॉक प्रोवाइड करेंगे. पेनस्टॉक जनरली एक पाइपलाइन होती है जो कंक्रीट का बना होता है, जिसके थ्रू हायर लेवल से वाटर को लोअर लेवल पे लाया जाता है. पेनस्टॉक का वर्क यह है, जो वाटर हायर लेवल पे है उसको लोअर लेवल पे लाने का फिनोमेना करता है, लाता है जनरली पेनस्टॉक. नाउ इनसाइड ए हाइड्रो पावर प्लांट पे कैसे ए फिनोमेना होता है, ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट क्लियर हियर. देखिए प्लीज, रिजर्वायर, डैम, जनरेटर, ट्रांसफार्मर, पावर हाउस, पावर लाइन, intake, control gate, penstock, turbine, outflow, etc. This diagram shows the hydropower plant, how can work, and each and every point will be clear here. So please remember this diagram and this phenomena used for hydro power plant. This diagram also पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. ऑब्वियसली जब हाइट होगा उस वाटर के पास पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगा, पेनस्टॉक के थ्रू वाटर निकलेगा, 100% काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगा क्योंकि वेलोसिटी आ गया. एंड टरबाइन हियर द लोअर लेवल इज नाउन एज, जहां वाटर कलेक्ट हो रहा है, दैट इज नाउन एज टेल वाटर. That above the tail water, mechanical energy converted, and generator, electricity and electrical energy produced. Now, basic elements in hydroelectric power plant. Reservoir. Reservoir is used to storage large amount of water. Dam. It is a structure of considerable height built across the reservoir. It develops a reservoir to store water and built head for power generation. Next point is trace. It is provided for preventing entry of debris like dust, dirt, etc. from the dam, because it may damage to turbine blades and choke the flow. यदि डेब्रिस प्रोवाइड होगा तो होगा कि आपका टरबाइन जो आपका जो ब्लेड्स है उसका डैमेज हो जाएगा और फाइनली आपका जो फ्लो होगा चोक्ड हो जाएगा. Now gate. It is provided to control the flow of water from the reservoir to the turbine. कैसे, किस अमाउंट में वाटर आपको चाहिए पे गेट जो है प्रोवाइड किया जाता है। नाउ लास्ट वन इज द पेनस्टोक, ए पाइप which carries water from reservoir to turbine house is called penstoke. जनरली कंक्रीट का बना रहता है आपका, और हाई लेवल जहां वाटर हो आपके पास, रिजर्वायर हो जहां लार्ज अमाउंट पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस हो, वहां हम लोग पेनस्टोक को देखते हैं। इट इज ए लार्ज ऑफ 1 मीटर 2 मीटर in diameter, made up of concrete to withstand high pressure. We have also discussed. Now, last point is the turbine. Turbine is used to convert kinetic energy to mechanical energy. Okay, in this lecture we have discussed how can electricity produce, how can work penstoke, turbine, different parameters we have discussed in this topic. Okay, thank you.